Mate, you won't believe this. E-type in the woods. Look at this badge. It's incredible. Hold the light steady. Got it. The corrosion here is unreal.
Bloody hell, it's a Series 1.
Oh, look at how brittle the glass is right here.
Yeah, it's completely delaminated. That's gonna be tough to surf.
The wheel hub is completely gone here.
Yeah, and these tires are completely shot, dry rot everywhere.
It's worse under the hood. Battery's leaking.
Oh, look at the corrosion on those terminals. This thing is completely rotten.
Keep it coming back slowly.
Room on the left.
All right, hold it there.
Hold it. Nice and slow now. Watch the front, right? It's slipping.
Watch the tension on that side.
It's snagging on the hinge.
Okay, check the rear strap again.
Hold on back there, lads. This track is rough.
We're right behind you. Just watch that mirror.
Make sure that strap is tight.
It's almost there.
Got the clip secured.
Pull over now. The hose is unraveling.